Is your cost per click in Google ads and Facebook ads climbing, driving you up the wall because you're spending so much more on your search and social ad strategy? Yeah, we've all been there. Any sort of paid advertising channel is going to cost money. Duh. But it can be really difficult if you have a limited budget and you're seeing your cost per click go up and up and up. Don't let your cost per click or your budget stop you from reaping the benefits of advertising on Google and Meta. You want to keep those costs in control. Here are a few ways that you can lower your cost per click in Google ads and Facebook ads. Tip number 1, and I know it sounds counterintuitive, don't go for the cheapest keywords in Google ads. Do reassess your keyword list. Potentially there are some costlier keywords in your list that aren't converting, or you might see keywords that are converting well, even if they're at a higher cost, that might be worth more priority, and you could funnel more budget to those versus lower cost keywords that are bringing you in nothing. Tip number 2, improve your ad quality and your landing pages. There are a lot of little gaps that people can miss in between their ad experience and their landing page experience. For Google ads, this can help you improve your quality score, which directly impacts your average cost per click, versus in Facebook ads, this will generally just improve your conversion rates and help you get away with a lower cost per click as well, because you're serving a better ad to the user, whether it be serving better images or videos. Your landing page is saying the same thing as your ads to make sure that the experience is seamless for your potential customers. Tip number 3, consider other networks that you can show your ads on. For example, we know that Google has the Search Ads Partner Network that allows your ads to be shown on other sites that Google owns that tend to have a cheaper cost per click. Now, this is a theme beyond just Google and Facebook. There are tons of other networks of owned sites by businesses that offer ad placements where you could easily recycle your Google and Facebook ads to show on there. For example, the USA Today Network. Tip number 4 is one of my favorites because I think it gets slept on a lot, and it's pretty simple. Ad scheduling. You can ad schedule on most Meta and Google Ads campaigns. And this allows your ads to only show when it matters most. So that way you're only spending when it matters most. And that will offset those high costs per click. Tip number 5, of course, A/B testing your ads. You might find that one ad yields a lower cost per click than the other. Try swapping out your copy and messaging, videos and images, and more, because you're going to have better quality ads that are highly optimized. So remember, ABT, always be testing. There are a ton more ways that you can lower your cost per click in Google ads and Facebook ads. Truly, I promise you that high cost per click that you're staring at in your account should not scare you. You can recover from this, you can rebuild from this, and you will get a lower cost per click if you follow these tips and steps that we mentioned in the full article. So go ahead and check that out. See all our ideas to help you keep a lower cost per click in your advertising strategies. See how we can maximize your campaigns for the lowest cost per click possible. Happy advertising!